Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can change default font in Google Sheets. So the first thing that you will have to do is open a blank sheet and just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will select the entire sheet, click the top left square between A and 1, and then what you will have to do is change your preferred font. So go ahead and click your this right here. So what you will do is choose your font. You can either choose Arial. So this is the list of all your fonts. So it really depends on you. So for example, I want this font right here, and now you will just have to basically adjust the size and formatting. You'll just have to your set it to bold, to italic if you want to, the size. So yeah, this is basically all you need for your font. And yeah. And by the way, if you want to save it as a template, go ahead and click file, which is right here. And then you will just have to click make a copy. And then what you will do basically is rename it as my default template, or and then you can use this file every time to keep the default font. And yeah, by the way, Google Sheets doesn't allow global permanent default fonts, so this template method is the only solution. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.